Hi, True North Watch Company, another US-based watch company, and I believe they're also based in LA, like VRT, the one I did the video previously on. This brand specializes in vintage-inspired watches, and based on what I'm seeing, it looks like they started off as a company called True North Collections, correct me if I'm wrong, and they worked on vehicles, Jeeps, I believe, and they even had leather goods like duffel bags, and it looks like they shifted their focus towards vintage inspired watches and kind of moved on from what they did in the past. And I know I just picked up a chronograph watch, but this was another watch that I've been eyeing for quite some time. So I'm a huge fan of vintage watches, and I love the design and look and everything of the Rolex Daytona Paul Newman. And from what I've seen, these guys took that design inspiration from that Paul Newman and created their vintage rally timer chronograph. And I was able to pick one up, so let's unbox it. So this is the box it comes in. It's exciting. All right. So from there, some padding, that's it for that box. True North Watch Company. So it comes with a little card that shows you how to use the vintage rally timer chronograph. And then don't wear your watch in the shower, water resistant. So a little information about the watch. Water resistant, depth 50 meters, 165 feet. Don't wear your watch in the shower. They're not designed to withstand warm water. When your watch cools down after the shower, moist air gets sucked into the case. Doing this repeatedly will deteriorate the movement, even if your watch is water resistant or if it's a dive watch with a depth rating of 100 meters or more. So they kind of give you like a heads up, like, hey, don't wear it in the shower, don't wear it swimming. I personally don't wear my watches when I swim, shower, any of that stuff. Although I have been wearing the VRT watches, the dive watches, when I snowboard, and it's done fantastic. And this one is definitely built for that, the VRT watches. Okay, so proudly designed and handcrafted at our Los Angeles studio. It looks like it's actually signed, this card, right there. All right, so this is the box. Let's see if you can see that. Let's get it open. So before I even open it, I know I'm gonna have to adjust the bracelet size because I have a 6-inch wrist, and I don't know if I'll be able to do it this video, but we'll see. So that's how it comes. Take it out. So it's wrapped in plastic all over, and it has, wow. This 37 millimeter case size is just, I think it's fantastic. Especially perfect for my smaller wrist. So there it is. Bracelet itself is really thin. The watch is fairly lightweight as well, and just looking at it on my wrist that's perfect in terms of the size. And another thing, when I was researching the Paul Newman homage watches, this was one of the only ones to have the case size closest to the original. A lot of the homage watches that I've seen on the Paul Newman Daytona go up to, I believe, around 40 millimeters. So that's a little bit too big for my taste, or it's a little bit bigger than the original. But this one I feel like has the closest specs from what I've seen so far. This has a 37 millimeter case diameter, case length of 44 millimeters, case thickness of 13.8 millimeters. But looking at it, it doesn't look too bad. Not too bad. It has a lug width of 20 millimeters, and I just picked up a nice brown leather strap, 20 millimeters, so I could fit that in with this watch as well. It has a vintage inspired domed and round sapphire coated mineral crystal. So if you look at the top, you could see there's that slight dome sticking out. And again, the depth is 50 meters or 165 feet, but like they even warned us, don't wear it in the shower. Bracelet sizing, it looks like you could remove 3 links on both the 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock side, and there are also micro adjusters on the clasp. Looks like there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clasp, 7 adjusters. So I'm pretty hopeful I'll be able to adjust it to my size fairly easily. You have the logo on the clasp. There's a matte finish on the clasp as well. So I picked up the VRT in the white legend dial, or they call it the Panda, because for the white and black contrast, and I also added the aged lume. So if you look at the hands, the color is originally white, but the aged lume makes it slightly creamish, adds that slight patina to it, that vintage-ish feel. This runs on a mech-quartz movement, and the crown is not a screw down crown, so definitely don't take it in water. Just pull out, set your time, put it back in. Let's try the chronometer. There it goes. Stop, reset, nice. You have that 24-hour window, the seconds window, and the timer. All right, so I'm not gonna adjust it right now because it's gonna take me some time, but the shots will be in this video. But for the sake of seeing it on my wrist right here, that's what it looks like. I have a 6-inch wrist, and this is again a 37mm case diameter. There you go. So it fits nicely. If you're interested, you guys could check out their collection at truenorthcollections.com. This is the Vintage Rally Timer, or the VRT. It comes in many different colors, including the white legend dial that I have, a black legend dial, a black dial, silver dial, and they also have new special editions that are gold, orange, kind of have like a variety of colors for you to choose from. And they also have a bespoke option, and what that means is they will age the watch for you. From what it looks like, they'll age the case itself, they'll age the dial, and kind of really make your watch look rugged and aged. That's an additional cost, but I feel like for myself, I'll just add that stuff myself by just normal wear and tear, and the aged lume seems enough for me. So there it is, True North Watch Company VRT. All right guys, well, thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in more watches, including American made watches and more vintage inspired watches and chronographs, check out the video I did with my friends at VRT. The link is in the description as well as the corner of this video. Let me know if you have any questions, shoot me a DM if you have any questions. I answered everyone. So, all right, thanks for watching, you guys. Peace.